Hi, welcome back to the PMdistilled lessons. So in this particular module, we'll be discussing about activity resource estimation. So at the activity level, there are two types of estimation. One is activity resource estimation. The other one is activity duration estimation. The tools and techniques used for these two are fundamentally the same. Uh, but then those things which are specific to activity effort estimation are discussed in this particular module. Very often, even highly experienced project managers, they are not very clear about the difference between duration and effort. So duration is the actual calendar time required by an activity from start to complete it, that is from start to finish, whereas the effort is the actual effort that gets into the activity. Now, let us say for a particular activity, we are putting just one resource to work on it, and if that particular resource works for 8 hours, then we say the duration is 8 hours or one calendar day, and effort is one person day or 8 hours that person worked on it. Now, if I increase the duration, increase the resources, double the resources from one resource to two resources, and if these two resources work on it for, let's say, 6 hours, then we say the total effort that the activity consumed is 2 into 6, that is 12 person hours, whereas the duration was uh, 6 hours, which is slightly above one half a calendar day. So duration is the actual calendar duration, whereas the effort is the actual effort that went into it, which is nothing but the duration into the number of resources deployed onto that. Which is nothing but, yeah, duration into the number of resources deployed into the activity. Then in this module we'll be discussing more about the type of constraints like start no earlier than, finish no later than, finish no earlier than, all those things. And these things are very true when it comes to real life project management, because if I go to Middle East and during Ramzan time when people are on fast, if I estimate my project as 8 hours resource availability per day, that that schedule may not be feasible, because during the holy month people will be fasting and they'll be available maybe only 4 hours per day. Similarly, if I start a construction project in South India during the month of May, June and July, maybe peak monsoon time, I may not be able to carry out that work if it is an external work, because it's raining heavily. So if I don't factor all these things into my schedule, I may not get a feasible schedule. So we are discussing these things in detail in this particular module. Now, please go ahead with your reading and see the remaining videos as well, and make it a point to take the practice test if it is available at the end of the module. I think with this much, you'll be thorough with the key concepts in this module. Thank you very much.